The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. I carry that with me. I come back to that, because it reminds me I am guided, I am led, I am not moving through this life alone. He leads me beside still waters, and I feel that when I slow down, when I breathe, when I step away from the noise, there is peace available to me. Real peace, steady peace. He restores my soul, and I felt that in quiet moments, in small resets, in times where I just stop and allow myself to be still. There is a renewal that happens, a strength that comes back. He leads me in the right direction, and I don't have to figure everything out at once. I take one step, then another, and I trust that I am being guided, even when I don't see the full path. Even when life feels uncertain, even when things feel heavy, I keep moving, steady, grounded, knowing I am supported. I am held. I am not alone in any of it. I walk with confidence now. I move with clarity. I carry less. I trust more. I don't rush. I don't force. I stay steady. I am guided. I am supported. I am strengthened. Every step I take has purpose. The Lord is my shepherd, and I walk forward with that. Peace in my mind, strength in my steps, and trust